True love never forgets, so fill my heart, fill my head, fill my bones, fill my brain. Let us have a love that never forgets.
This evening went by quite hurriedly for me since I was expecting sudden guests at home, and I decided to make some last-minute snacks for them with whatever I had.
I've tried.
Dosa and idli batter were sitting in the fridge from the day before. At the time, I had given it some color by mixing in beetroot and spinach puree.
Oh, I think about you every night. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I feel like nothing without you.
When I found out I was having guests, I didn't have time to make traditional idlis, so I improvised by cooking the batter immediately on the tawa. This recipe, along with a few others, will be served with a twist. See a quick DIY in action before the guests arrive if you stick around until the end of the video.
Well, the signs are everywhere.
Using up the boiled potatoes to make another quick recipe. I always keep boiled potatoes in my fridge, not just for such occasions, but they also come to use in daily recipes.
Every night, tell me, what am I supposed to do?
I have a nice hack that I like to use.
Oh, I am nothing. Oh, sweet.
I want to make the potatoes crispy, so I'll coat them with flour this ways, adding salt at this stage for better flavor as well. The idea is to deep fry the potatoes to make the outer crispy. I was using an air fryer to save time, but I can imagine that they would be even tastier if deep fried. A green chutney was necessary for this recipe. I only had some chopped coriander that I usually keep for garnish. So I used that along with a few other ingredients to make an easy but spicy chutney. Keep this chutney a little high on tanginess and heat.
When the winter chill froze it to a bone, you could always find your way back home to your little shelter from the storm.
When unexpected guests arrive, it's tempting to reach for the phone or the nearest bakery's delivery menu. But I found that little ingenuity in the kitchen goes a long way towards coming up with fun snack options. Of course, presenting them in a unique way further elevates the gesture, and your loved ones will undoubtedly appreciate your hard work.
Some setbacks somehow. I wish we could wind back the clock back to those days before you got on that step.
Adding this final tadka to the cocktail idlis we prepared previously really takes this dish to the next level.
You can always find your way back home to a little shelter from the storm. And if
A simple but hearty addition is ghee, which I prefer to use.
your cold sweater, it's been waiting here all this time. When the winter chill freezes to the bone, you can always find your way back home to a little shelter from the storm. And if you're feeling roughed up by the weather, you can always wear your cold sweater. It's been waiting here all this time.
When I found out they would be delayed due to traffic, I decided to make a few diyas to decorate. Since most of my preparation work had already been completed, I quickly considered adding a decorative touch using a DIY piece that I had long wanted to create, particularly suitable for using during Raksha Bandhan or such festivals. I had some leftover atta, so I gave it a minor second kneading, this time adding a tiny bit of haldi. Then I made these shapes by following an online instruction. I apologize for the shoddy work, but this was my first time using them. I placed them on a platter to make for a centerpiece. Maybe I'll try making it once more to perfect the design with practice.
Another day with the sunny sky.
With some salted peanuts, a quick recipe is to make masala peanuts that are always a hit with drinks, chai, or anything really.
In the stars.
These are my go-to, and this one is literally a 2-minute snack to prepare without any cooking involved. It gets much easier to pick snacks when they are served this ways. This is merely another presentation option. You could instead serve them all at once in a bowl. Assembling the potatoes we fried earlier. You can see I'm literally using everything I had in my fridge. Whipping curd with a touch of sugar in it. Whip it well to make a creamy and smooth consistency. Add coriander chutney as well. Now we get canned chanas or chickpeas over here, so I am using those directly, but this is totally optional. Save and chopped onions for crunch. For the sake of this video, I served and prepared items a little ahead of time, but you can absolutely complete the entire process of assembling just before serving to the guests. So here was a quick video from my end on how to manage and come up with ideas at the very last minute without any stress. Hope you found it helpful. Until next time, here's Home Gupshup signing off. Happy weekend, folks!